Jai Shanidev friends, I welcome you all on my YouTube channel. I pray to Almighty to offer blessings to all of you and fulfill all your wishes. I am very thankful to all my subscribers and I hope I will be getting your support like this in future as well. In this video, we will discuss the detailed analysis of Aries Ascendant for the month of December 2021, and people who want to learn Vedic astrology, my videos will be helpful to them as well, as I will try to explain you how I have given predictions. If you are interested in learning Vedic astrology, then I have already published a video on Vedic astrology tutorial. You can watch that, will be helpful for you. There are different sections in this video. In these different sections, we will discuss the impact of planetary transits during the month of December on your career, on your family life, on your health, on your finances, on your romance life, and finally at the end of this video we will discuss the best remedies which will help you during the month of December. If number 1 is written in the first house of your birth chart and LA, which stands for Lagna or Ascendant, is also written in the same house as you can see in this particular birth chart, then this monthly birth chart analysis report December 2021 is for you. For other ascendants or Lagna predictions for the month of December, you can watch my other videos. During the month of December, there is very important planetary transit of Sun, as Sun will transit from 8th house to the 9th house of birth chart, due to which Grahan Dosha will end here. So what will be its impact on your health, on your finances, on your family life? We will be discussing all this in this particular video. So let's move forward and first discuss about your career during the month of December. Period from 1st to 7th of December, your birth chart will look like this, as you can see here. During this period, Jupiter is in the 11th house, Saturn is there in the 10th house, Rahu is in the 2nd house, Ketu, Sun and Mercury conjunction is there in the 8th house. Mars is in the 7th house of birth chart and Venus is in the 9th house of birth chart. So let's move forward and first discuss what will be the impact of these planets on your career. During the current period, Sun and Ketu conjunction is there in the 8th house, due to which Grahan Dosha is there in the 8th house of birth chart. Due to the presence of Mercury in this conjunction, as Mercury is the lord of the 6th house, you may get some unexpected gains as well. Professionals who are into research work, who are into software development, who are into social media, who are doing some business using internet, such people may get some unexpected gains here. If you have any family business, then there are chances of some unexpected results in your family business. But on the other side, there are also chances of increase in some mental stress related to your partners in such business. Due to this Grahan Dosha, you may face mental stress related to your job or business here. And if any of your work got stuck in any government department, then this period may create more trouble to you, may increase your challenges here. There are chances that your image at your workplace may also get impacted in a negative manner. If your promotion is due in your job, then this period may delay that. This Grahan Dosha may delay that promotion. People who are into government job have to be little careful here. This Grahan Dosha may also create some mental stress in your job. Better to keep yourself away from any sort of conflict. If you drive any vehicle, if you go to gym, if you are into sports, then you have to be very careful, as there are chances of some minor accident may happen during this period. So be very careful. Presence of Sun, Mercury and Ketu conjunction in the 8th house will impact your health. What will be its impact on your health? We will discuss this in our health related section later in this video. During this period, Mars is there in the 7th house, from where Mars will aspect the 1st house of birth chart, due to which you may start reacting on small issues of life, due to which there are chances that your mental stress at your workplace may also increase. Try to keep yourself away from any sort of arguments, otherwise this period may also put you in some legal issues. Try not to take any sort of decision related to your job or business out of anger. That will create mental stress to you in the future. People who are into partnership business have to be careful here. Your mental stress in partnership business may increase. Your relation with your partners may also get impacted in a negative manner. What will be the impact of this on your family life? We will be discussing this in our family related section later in this video. Due to the aspect of Mars on the 10th house of birth chart, which is the exalted sign of Mars, you may get some positive results related to your job or business. If you are searching job and you were not getting those fruitful results what you were expecting, then during this period there are chances that you will get the job. During this period, Venus is placed in the 9th house of birth chart, that means the house of luck, due to which if you are into media, then you may get some very positive results. If you are doing any business with the help of social media, then this period will give you very positive results. If you are doing any online business, then this period will give you favorable results as well. You will be getting some unexpected gains in such businesses. There are chances that your travel related to your job or business will increase. There are chances that you will have good benefits due to these travel. During this period, your luck will start favoring you. Your self-confidence will increase. If you are running any business in association with your younger brother and sister, then this period will give you some favorable results as well. During the current period, Saturn is in the 10th house of birth chart, due to which Shash Panch Mahapurush Yoga is formed in your birth chart. Such period comes once in 30 years of your life. So this period is very crucial, very important period for you. During the current period, you will see expansion in your work. You will start getting good opportunities. If you will get even a small opportunity during this period, then don't avoid that opportunity, as even a small opportunity will change your entire life during the coming period. The next 5 months of your life is very important in terms of your career. There are chances that if you are into business or even job, then your workload will increase too much, that if you keep working for 24 hours per day, then also you will find it difficult to complete that work. You have to utilize this period with 100% of your efforts to get the best results of this yoga. During the current period, Jupiter is in the 11th house of birth chart, from where Jupiter aspect will be there in the 5th house of birth chart, 3rd house and 7th house of birth chart, as you can see with the help of these arrows, due to which you will feel a sort of stability in your thinking process. During the past few months, if you are unable to focus or concentrate on a single task or on a single goal, and you are thinking in multiple directions, then this period will remove that. This period will give you a stable mind. If you are running any business with your younger brother or sister, then this period will give you better results in such business. You will see a stable growth in such business in the coming period. If you are facing problems related to your self-confidence, and due to the lack of self-confidence you are unable to take your project further, then this period will boost your self-confidence and you will start taking your project in a positive manner and in a positive direction. Rahu is there in the 2nd house of birth chart, due to which you have to keep control on your words, what you speak. If you are running any family business, then you will face some trouble in that. It will be difficult for you to get those results what you will expect during this period, due to which your mental stress may kept on increasing related to such job or business. What will be the impact of the placement of Rahu in the 2nd house on your health? We will discuss this in our health related section later in this video. Period from 7th to 15th of December, your birth chart will look like this, as you can see here. During this period, Mars transit will be from the 7th house to the 8th house of birth chart in the house of Scorpio, which is own house of Mars. During this period, 4 planets, Sun, Mars, Ketu and Mercury is in the 8th house, due to which this period will be very crucial period for you, as Mars, which is the lord of the 8th house, is in the 8th house, and Mercury, which is the lord of the 6th house, is also there in the 8th house of birth chart. Due to this, there are chances that you will get some unexpected gains from somewhere which you are not expecting. There are chances that you will get some job which you were not expecting. There are chances that you have given some interview during the past and you were not expecting any positive results, but suddenly you will get some positive news. People who are into share trading may also get some unexpected results during this period. If you are having family business, then there are chances that your mental stress related to your family business may increase. Clashes among partners in such business may also increase. You have to be very careful here. This period will be very crucial period for your health. What will be its impact on your health? We will discuss this in our health related section, and how to reduce the negative impact of this conjunction on your health. We will also discuss this in our remedies section. During this period, Venus transit will be in the 10th house from the 9th house of birth chart, due to which you may get some fruitful results in your property related matter, in your any property investment. There are chances that you may purchase some vehicle if you are planning this for a long time. If you are planning to reconstruct your house, then you will be able to implement that. You will be able to start your reconstruction there. Period from 16th to 31st of December, your birth chart will look like this. As you can see here, during this period, Sun will transit from 8th house to the 9th house of birth chart, which is the most important transit of this month. As due to this transit, Grahan dosha will end in your birth chart. Sun is very auspicious planet in the birth chart of Aries ascendant horoscope, and transit of Sun plays very important role in Aries ascendant birth chart. During this period, Lord of the 5th house will be there in the house of luck, that is in the 9th house, due to which your luck will start favoring you. If you are facing challenges due to your luck during the past couple of months, then this period will give you positive results here. If you are facing trouble in your job, in your business, then transit of Sun will support you. It will reduce the mental stress here. It will increase your self-confidence. If you are running any business with your younger brother and sister, then this period will help you a lot in that. Your business will grow. During this period, your travel related to your job or business will increase. There are also chances of some foreign travel during this period. People who are into government job, and if you are facing some mental stress related to your job, then during this period that mental stress will reduce. Due to the transit of Sun from 8th house, you will see some unexpected results from Mars as well in the 8th house. There are chances that if any of your work which got stuck in the past will start suddenly and will start giving you some positive results here. So that was all about your career during the month of December. Now let's move forward and discuss about your health during the month of December. Period from 1st to 16th of December, you may face some issues related to your lower abdomen area. If you have some problems related to your gastrointestinal tract, then this period may create more trouble to you. So avoid taking food from outside or avoid eating spicy food during this particular period. Also, if you have medical history of depression, migraine, then be careful. This period is not so favorable for your disease like this. Better to keep doing meditation. That will be beneficial for you. Try not to avoid any small symptom of disease during this period. That will be better for you. If you drive any vehicle, if you go to gym, if you are into sports, then be careful. You may face some minor accident here. Females who are pregnant have to be very careful during this period. Try to avoid lifting heavy weights or try not to do any sort of activity which may create health related issues to you. Period from 6th to 7th of December and 19th to 20th of December is not so favorable for your health. You may face uneasiness. You may face trouble related to your sleep during this period. You may also face some issue in the lower abdomen area during this particular period. So that was all about your health during the month of December. Now let's move forward and discuss about your finances during this month. Period till 16th of December, your expenses may increase exponentially, and these expenses will increase due to your health related issues. So be very careful about your health. Period after 16th of December will be favorable period for your finances, will be positive for your finances. You will see huge financial gains which will be sudden in nature. Period from 10th to 12th of December, you may get some unexpected financial gains. If you are doing any online business, or if you are into share trading, if you have invested somewhere in the past, then in such cases there are chances of getting some unexpected financial gains. Period from 3rd to 5th of December, your expenses may increase. Avoid doing any expense which is not very important for you. Otherwise, this period may give some mental stress to you. So that was all about your finances during the month of December. Now let's move forward and discuss about your romance life during the month of December. If you are single, then during the period 9th to 13th of December, you may fall into relationship, you may fall in love. If you are into relationship, then period till 19th of December is not so favorable for your relationship. You may face challenges to maintain healthy relationship. Problems related to your relationship matters may increase. There are chances that you may start reacting on small issues. It will be difficult for you to manage your anger here. Here you may face mental stress in relationship. This may be due to any compatibility issue. Better to keep calm and avoid any sort of situation which may create misunderstanding with your partners. Try to be a little flexible. Try to give importance to your partner as well. Try not to react on those small issues which can be avoided. Otherwise, this period may create huge mental stress to you. Period after 19th of December, your mental stress related to your relationship matter will reduce. It will be favorable period for your relationship. Your bonding will improve. All your stress related to your relationship issues will remove here. So that was all about your romance life during the month of December. Now let's move forward and discuss about your family life during the month of December. Month of December is not so favorable period for your married life, especially period till 20th of December. You have to keep control on yourself. Try not to react on small issues which can be avoided. It will be difficult for you to control on your anger here. This period will be a test of your self-discipline, self-control. Otherwise, this period may create huge mental stress in your married life. It will be difficult for you to manage your work-life balance. During this period, you may start reacting on small issues. You will avoid taking any suggestion from your partner, due to which your mental stress related to your family life will increase. Chances of conflict will increase. Chances of misunderstanding will also increase. Try to maintain work-life balance and give some time to your family life as well. Period till 15th of December, stress related to your father may increase. This stress may be due to some property related issue, may be due to some health related issue of your father, or maybe some family related issues. During this month, your relation with your younger brother and sister will improve. Your bonding with your younger brother and sister will be more stronger. So that was all about your family life during the month of December. Now let's move forward and discuss about those most important remedies that will be beneficial for you during the month of December. If possible, you can donate blood during this month. If you have already donated this during the past 6 months, then avoid this. Donate blue color clothes and some food to any needy person or in any charitable hospital in which leprosy patients are there. You should donate medicine in any charitable hospital once in a week. You should also wake up early in the morning before sunrise and see rising sun with naked eyes. It will fill you with great positive energy and zeal. Do physical exercise daily and do meditation for at least 20 minutes. Donate red lentils on every Tuesday. So these were the best remedies which you have to follow during the month of December and will be beneficial for you. So that was all about the Aries ascendant for the month of December 2021. May Almighty bless you always, and thanks for watching the video.